Hold on a minute. Okay. Hey, y'all. Come walk with me in the garden today. It is time to start thinking about cleaning up your gardens. I don't know what zone you're in, but it is time to start cleaning up your gardens, removing any dead debris. I cannot believe I said that without getting something. Okay, dead debris. Hey, I did it again. I did it twice. I ain't gonna press my luck though. We are going to start, first of all, taking the solar fence down. We've already taken the box down, unplugged it. We don't like leaving it up during the late fall and going into the winter. We don't like doing that. We are in late fall right now. I don't know when this video is going out, but we just, y'all, I don't even know anymore. Look at that beautiful sunset. Y'all see that? That's beautiful. Okay, anyway, squirrel. We are going to get time to winterize your garden, fallize your garden, whatever you're doing. We are late getting started, but we're doing it. Yes and amen, we're doing it. So here we go. I got crap on my shirt. Okay, we are going to start taking down the solar fence line wire. We're going to put up fresh new wire next year because there's little nicks in here where I might come through with the hoe or something, or he was running the tiller and yeah, we kind of nicked it a couple of times. We put it back together so it's not as strong to zap the cat when she tries to get in here. Or zap a deer, when they try to get in here, or a little rabbit. So we're going to just start with all new fencing next year. So this is going to get scrapped. And then we're going to start taking down the little, what do you call these little things? Clips that holds your wire up. Then, so we're going to trash all this. Because the deer's already got a hold of one at the bottom and jerked it all down to pieces, because once we're done in the garden, we'll go ahead and just turn off the fence and just give them free range. And they do, and they did, and there's deer poop all in the garden. So they've tore down that bottom one right here. And it was probably some babies, because we've had some mamas come through here with their babies, showing them this is where the good stuff is at. Remember this for next year, okay? And you can tell like the babies probably went under the fence and the mamas went through the fence. So we're going to just scrap this fence because, yeah, it's not on this time. Y'all saw me get zapped one time in a video. Yeah, it's off. We're going to take this down, start with fresh new fencing next year. And then we got to take these little clips off that holds the fence. The birds has been enjoying these dried seed pods with the okra seeds in them, so we've been letting them have free reign. So what I'm fixing to do right now is, unless I step in a hole out here, an armadillo hole, and I go, and then y'all will be the first ones to see it. We're going to get in here. He's going to have to bush hog a lot of this stuff down, because these okra stalks are like trees. Okay, so we're got to just clean up our garden, get it ready for the winter time. They're working on fencing over there, doing something. They're on the ridge. They're doing some kind of fencing over there, getting ready to drop calves. It's going to be a busy season, let me tell you. So, fence is coming down, clips are coming down. He's going to go behind me and start taking all the T-posts down, because next year we've got to expand and shift down a little bit, because we added some cattle panels here, permanent cattle panels and T-posts, where 2 grapevines, I showed you those, and a blackberry vine. So I got to prune the blackberry vine down, kind of winterize the grapevines, take down fence, T-post clips, take down these cattle panels and T-posts where we had the tomatoes at. Let me turn y'all around. Take all these tomato plants down. I got to go through here, and I started taking my clips down, cutting any ties where I had to tie anything up, because we don't want those hung in the bush hog or the lawnmower. See, I got to take all these clips out, strip these vines down and these plants off of the tomato rows here, these 2 cattle panel fences, this one and this one, and then just clean up our garden and winterize it. So that's what we've got to do this season to get ready Oh, they're back to get ready for the next planting season. Yeah, I see armadillos has been out here too. Oh yeah, there's some holes right there. Yep. So we're gonna clean up this garden, shut it down, get it winterized. We might go ahead and lime it and fertilize it and then just let the snows sit on it. Soak it down into the ground real good to get it ready for the next planting season. Or we will start like in March or April and fertilize and lime really good. It's time to do that for the next growing season because we didn't do it last year. We kind of skipped a year. So we're going to try to do that. Hey! Granddaughters has been out here collecting zinnia seeds for next year. So get your gardens fallized, winterized, whatever. Close them up for the winter. Get them ready for that next growing season. Study about what kind of nutrients you want to put in your garden for next year. I use the winter months, y'all, to start looking through seed catalogs and seeing what and the dogs getting through the fence, seeing what I want to plant for next year. This is what helps me make it through the winter, is looking through seed catalogs, getting through the, Yeah, fence is off. Where is your coat, child? Oh, okay. So get your gardens winterized. I spend the winter time going through seed catalogs, planning, drawing in the notebook, planning and drawing where I want everything in my garden, and planning what we want to plant. We take an inventory to see what we need and then what we might want to try or what we need to do. So, what is?
Hey, Gma.
Hey. Oh, y'all want to get some more okra seeds for the birds?
Yeah.
All right, get them some and spread them out there.
Yeah, they need some.
So, get your gardens winterized. Where was I? I got interrupted by cute little girls. Get your gardens winterized, close them up for the winter, check your nutrients, figure out start going ahead and planning your spring season. Whenever, some people will start growing like in the early spring, like in March, and start putting those plants out, those cold plants like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, carrots, radishes, your lettuces, stuff like that. Okay, so get ready for that weather. I don't know what your zone is. Study your zone, what grows good in certain seasons, in certain months in your zone, your area. Pay attention to your weather, because if you start planting some things early and then watch the weather, because 9 times out of 10 after you plant that cold crop, 9 times out of 10 after you plant that cold crop, you're going to have a frost or a freeze come through. You can bet on it. So make sure you have something on hand to cover your plants. I heard hollering. I thought somebody was hurt. To cover your plants, use old bed sheets, use some row crop covers, whatever you call it, plastic. Walmart sacks. I have covered up broccoli and cauliflower plants with Walmart sacks. Tie them. So winterize your gardens, get them ready, start doing your studying and your planning during the winter months, and get ready for your next gardening season. Tractors and Rangers are running, y'all. I'm sorry, I gotta go. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Okay, I'm interrupting again. One quick thing right here. They wanted to show y'all something, okay? So I'm gonna let them have the camera. Okay, y'all ready?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
So this is a properly thing that you could do okra. So if you have okra dead like this for the winter time, you could twist the okra like this. All you do is twist it, and then the end you peel off. And these seeds for the birds, deer, and raccoons.
And rabbits.
And rabbits and squirrels can come and eat the seeds off of the ground. Yeah, and this is what a seeds look like.
Oops. Yep, that's an okra seed.
Okra seeds will look like this when you open it. And the really, really proper way is you can tear it down off your thing
Like that?
And just open it. And if you want to do that way, you can. But if you want to do my way, you can do it.
Just pull from the top. Okay.
And that is how you peel a okra the proper way.
Okay. Are you done?
Yes, we're done.
Good job. Out of the mouth of babes. We'll catch y'all in the next video.